Show them you should no man, me put the white, yeah, show them the white put there.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Trisha and your boy
Leo.
Yes guys, and together we are the
Yums.
Yes guys, today guys I'm gonna be doing this challenge. Husband rates my outfit. I'll be trying on a couple outfits that I got off Amazon. I can only remember that one of the brand is Shine, or I don't know if I'm even pronouncing it correctly, but guys, these are all affordable outfits. I think the cost is $40 or less, or $30 or less. I'm gonna insert the prices of each outfit in the video. Guys, if you're not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscription button down below, like out the video guys, share, comment and subscribe. Are you ready, Leo?
Yes, let's go.
You ready?
Yeah, man.
You ready? Alright, so guys, me soon come back. I'm gonna be trying on outfit number 1. What do you think about this, babe? What do you think about this one, babe?
That don't look bad, no.
Can I take the kid?
Don't look bad at all. Look nice, yes.
What do you think about the shoes?
Shoes match, that's something, man. Nigga.
And the Eldad.
Yeah, man, you're going with things, man.
So how much out of 10 you would I give this one?
What a 10? Let's start that one with about a 7. It's a good. Seriously, just a good grade that, you know.
So what could I make it be 10?
When the rest of them come, man, we tell you.
Alright.
Man, that one can be a 7, man.
7?
Alright. Man, that go on good.
So you say I want that 7 B? 7?
No, man, that one the iron, man.
Is that 7?
That one them probably get. One them probably get a 7 still.
Alright, let's say people, you say Irie, but you might give me 7.
Nice.
Alright, let's go for outfit number 2. What do you think of this one?
Yeah, man, that one there. That one the nicer.
It's nicer. Stripes are weird this time you see him. Happy stripes in the baby.
Short, do me not, no lie.
Same headband.
Show them you should no man, me put the white, yeah, show them the white put there.
Oh.
Tell them about me, Leo. We put their always right. That's nothing new, though. Alright, so sneakers to match. They seen it, babe?
Yeah, man, them a see it, man.
You must see the sneaker.
Yeah, them a see it. Show them now.
Hey, sit. Hey. So, Leo, what would you rate this one?
Alright, I get that one about a 8.
8?
Yeah.
What you like better about this one?
The color.
You like the color?
Yeah, the color
vibrant.
more attractive. I go on with things, man.
Alright. People comment in the comment section on your favorite outfit. Let me know, people. Like outfit number 2, babe.
Yeah, outfit number 2, I go on with things,
Go on with a bag of things. You're not too short. Me don't say you want
I'm too short still now.
Seriously?
Yeah, man.
I no listen to him, yeah. If up to Leo, me wear dress, me reach at my ankle. Alright?
No, you have to hide them sexy legs then I can't make other man or rather see them something there. Understand?
Alright, if you
Yeah.
say so.
So,
Alright.
throw something long over that when I go out.
Move! Alright, all this. Outfit number 3 coming out. It's a shirt, blouse. You know, a shirt, blouse, frock. You know, it don't have to wear with a belt. I'm not gonna wear with a belt. I like it. Just like this, right? I think you can wear it long if you want. Probably if you wear it in the night, or you can wear it up. I'll be leaving the price of the outfit in the video when I'm editing. I don't know the price, but I'm gonna let you know. Just in case you like it and you want to buy it. If you want to show
Legs, I can leave unbuttoned.
or you can close it for your husband. If your husband don't want you to show too much love, like
But not wearing pants. Everybody's wearing pants.
Yeah, you can't tell me something, man. That's a shirt that.
Leo, seriously?
Yeah.
What would you rate this one?
That one I'm gonna give probably a 8.5.
Why? Why 8.5?
Because me just look upon it and just everything. It does look like something missing off it still.
Seriously?
Yeah, man, something missing off it.
It's nice though.
8.5. It's nice, man. Not in a lie. Love the colors for that one, I know.
You like the colors?
Yeah, man, the color them match.
The only thing is that I think this should have a gold belt. You know, as close fitting as the previous one. So I wish they have a belt. What do you think?
Yeah, the belt would make it a bit more sexier.
Alright,
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, so you prefer this over the one before? How much you would I rate this?
I'm gonna give that boat a 9.
Oopsie. So really you like this one more? You know some prefer the one before?
The colors them nice, man.
More bye-bye.
Yeah. With the belt. But yeah, you don't want a belt.
Would I wear a belt with this? Alright. You think must get on one more outfit?
Sure.
Alright, people, may just like go to one more. One more people.
Let's go.
I want to can feel something there to close it. This is nice. I really love this one. This one button I can't reach it. But I love this one name. Yeah, get a type of mommy vibes. It's very comfortable. You know say I'm all about comfort, right? Yeah. And they have 2 pockets. What more you need than 2 pockets? Very comfortable. And you get a type of mommy vibes. You can wear it off the shoulder like this. And I can easily snap down my brassiere to give the baby the titty. So that's why I really like it. It's very comfortable. I see myself wearing this every day. We should have it in all different colors. What do you think about it?
Nice casual wear. Like it. Colors nice.
How much would I get this one?
That one bought a 9.
And seriously, you get more than the... Go here, so let me talk to you. I need to see Mr. Young face, right? Let me talk to you. So you give this more than the black outfit 1 and 2, the fully leopard one, and the black one with the leopard tie.
How much will you give them one?
You give that like 7 and 8, or you give this a 9?
The casual something that's kind of, you know, look simple and nice.
Alright, I like it too.
So it have a like a nice and elegant type of thing without having all of them something.
Yeah, enough to try much though.
Right.
Alright, I agree with you. So guys, I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. Comment down below, let me see if you want or be tried so outfit in Casana.
And not try that one.
Casana. Please comment down below guys. I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Until next time.
Bye guys.